Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. All are fine? All are doing well? All are studying? Yes. So, we have completed the whole lesson of lesson 1. Did you all understand the whole lesson? I hope you understood. You have completed all the exercises. You have completed the grammar. I hope you understood all that. Let us do today the last part of this lesson, that is the question and answers. Question and answers. If we complete this question and answer, we'll finish the whole lesson. So all will take out page number 15. All will take out page number 15. So let us do the last part of the lesson, question and answers. What are so I hope you all have taken out page number 15 by now. Let us see the first question. What is the first question? The first question here on page number 15 is, what homework did the mathematics teacher give? Few words are given beside your question, help words. With the help of these help words, you have to answer the question. The help word here is solve sums. What homework did the mathematics teacher give? Solve sums. So how will you make the answer? The mathematics teacher gave few sums to solve as homework. The mathematics teacher gave few sums to solve as homework. This is the way you will write the answer. So first answer, what did the mathematics teacher give? Mathematics teacher gave few sums to solve as homework. The mathematics teacher gave few sums to solve as homework. He gave few sums to solve as homework. So come to the next question. What is the next question? Why was Gopal not attentive in the class? Think, why was Gopal not attentive in the class? If you remember the story, help words are also given. Looking at the birds playing. Looking at the birds playing. Gopal was not attentive because he was looking at the birds playing outside the window when the class was going on. What he was doing, he was seeing outside the window. He was watching the birds playing. That is why, what should we do? While the ma'am is teaching, you should not look here and there. You should listen to the ma'am, so you will understand everything very clearly. If you are watching this video and understanding these answers or understanding the lesson, don't see what is happening, what mama is doing or what anybody is doing. No need to think about all that. You concentrate upon your class. Video is your class going on as in the classroom or in the school as the class goes on. So when you watch the video, give full concentration on that. Then you will understand everything very clearly. So Gopal did not understand. Why? Because he was looking outside the window. He was watching the birds. He was not listening to his teacher. So the second answer is, Gopal was not attentive in the class because he was looking at the birds outside. Second answer, he was looking at the birds playing outside. He was looking at the birds playing outside. That is why he was not attentive in the class. That is why he was not attentive in the class. Who helped? Third question now. Who helped Gopal to do his homework? Tell me, who helped Gopal to do his homework? Who helped? Mama helped? Usually your mama helps na? Who helped Gopal to do his homework? Mama helped? Mama helped Gopal? No. Who helped them? Think. See the word, help word, what it is given? Yes, friend. So his friend helped Gopal. Gopal's friend helped Gopal to do his homework. Gopal's friend helped Gopal. Who helped? Gopal's friend helped Gopal to do his homework. HW means homework. So, Gopal's friend helped Gopal to do his homework. His friend helped him to do his homework in the recess. So, fourth question. Why was the teacher surprised? अरे ये कैसे हो गया? That is surprised. Why was the teacher surprised? Teacher क्यों surprise हो गई? Because it was only Gopal in the class who got all the sums right. See the helpers? Gopal got all the sums right. In the whole class, it was only Gopal who got all the sums right. The teacher was surprised because Gopal got all the sums right. Was right because Gopal got all the sums right. In the whole class, it was only Gopal who got all the sums right. That is why the teacher was surprised. That is why the teacher was surprised. I hope you understood all third and fourth answers. Read the fifth question. What is the fifth question? Read. What is the fifth question? Read. Fifth question. After knowing the truth, why did the teacher give the prize to Gopal? Because, see, what was the truth? Actually, Gopal did not understand his lesson. His friend helped him, so with the help of his friend, he was able to do the sums. And he got the prize because he got all the sums right. So, Gopal was an honest boy. Honest boy matlab sacha, truthful boy. He told he took the prize. He got all the sums right. Sir told he will give the prize. He gave the prize. But Gopal was honest. He started crying because he himself was not able to do the homework and got all the sums right. His friend helped him. That is why he got all the sums right. So he was an honest boy. Before taking the prize, he took the prize and he started crying. And then when his teacher asked him, why are you crying? He was an honest boy. He told that actually his friend helped him. So seeing that he was honest and he is very good boy, the teacher says at last to keep the prize with him. Because he was very honest. That's why teacher in class also says, if you do a mistake also, what should you do? You should accept that. But always do, if you tell, ma'am, this happened, sorry, this was my mistake. That is more better than telling lies. So, ma'am, what now? If you tell the truth, ma'am will say, oh my God, he did a mistake. But he is such a nice boy that he is accepting that mistake and telling the truth. So, children, you should always speak truth and be honest like Gopal. So, fifth answer, after knowing the truth also, the teacher gave him the prize because he was honest. Because he was honest. Honest means truth. Because he was honest, he got the prize. He got the prize and teacher did not take away the prize. He said, keep the prize with you because you are honest. Okay, then last one. Do you think it is good to be honest? Give to series. Yes, it is good to be honest because you become a good citizen. Honesty is the best policy and you become a good citizen you become a good citizen. One is, for two reasons he is asking. First, you may say honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. This is one reason. And what? You become a good citizen. If you say speak truth, you become a good citizen. You become a good citizen. So, honesty is the best policy and we become a good student. I hope you all will also become honest children and be like Gopal. And I know you all are very honest and you all are very good. So children, be as you are, and if you are not, try to be honest and be good children. And so these question answers I will send in your WhatsApp. You write it very neatly in your classwork copies. First understand, then write, and then learn and do it very neatly. Okay, we'll continue with the next lesson in the next class. Till then, goodbye, take care, God bless you.